Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another Be OK Media Life video, the place where we show you how to take budget items from a variety of places and turn them into high-end home decor. Let's see what we're going to get into today. So today we are going to be recreating one of my high-end lamp DIYs utilizing these waste baskets from the Dollar Tree. So one of the first things we're going to do is remove the bottom of one of the baskets. And after you watch me do that, you'll see me kind of come in with some pliers and pull those rough edges in so that we can kind of smooth that out and not have any jagged edges. And I'm going to let you guys watch as this comes together. So what I've got here are some black placemats, and you're going to watch me kind of break these down into just like the ribbon that makes these placemats up. Now, in the past, I have used the black hats that I've been able to get from the Dollar Tree, but for whatever reason, I could not find any this year. So I'm going to use this as my substitute. So here, I just wanted to show you how you would break it down if you were able to find the hats. I had one of these beige hats, but again, I was unable to find the black ones, but you break them down just the same. So now we're going to go ahead and connect our two baskets together, and I am just using zip ties to do this, and I'm just going to zip tie as many of them as I need to feel secure. For me, that was about 6. So one of the things we're going to want to do is take the kind of nub, if you will, of the zip ties that we cut off and kind of push them towards the center of the baskets. And that's just going to make for a smoother surface when we come around with our hat ribbon. So adding our hat ribbon to the baskets is going to be pretty easy. We're just going to put a little dab of hot glue on there and then begin to just add it around the baskets, going all the way down until we cover both baskets. Now, I'm not going to make you guys watch me do all of that, but I think you guys get the gist. Now, one of the things that I chose to do, which is entirely optional, is I wanted to give my lamp, if you will, a little texture. So I came through with some white paint mixed with a little bit of Waverly and then kind of dabbed around the outside of my lamp just to give it a little dimension. So now what I'm going to do is just cut a little square at the base of our lamp so that our cord can pull through. And I'm going to let you guys watch as I pull this together. So here I'm just showing you guys that I will be using a lamp base, and you guys will watch me pull the cord of this through that hole that we made in our lamp. So lastly, I'm gonna add a little something to our lamp. Because it's shaped like a vase, I felt like we should use that, right? And ultimately you can add whatever you want into your lamp or add nothing at all. So before we head to the reveal, I wanted to show you guys just really quickly that you could take this same concept and also make a hanging lamp. And I did this in a previous video, and I will link that video in the description box if you guys want to take a look. So I love this lamp. Again, adding those sticks at the top or any sort of florals is just gonna give it a pop, because ultimately that light is gonna shine through and make a beautiful shadow. But either way, these are a beautiful project. Let me know if you guys love these in the comments.